have ignition, and we have liftoff. We have liftoff of the Titan Centaur, carrying the first of two Voyager spacecraft to extend man's senses farther into the solar system than ever before. Reports coming back indicate those twin large solid motors are functioning perfectly, producing 1.2 million pounds of thrust each. 25 seconds into the launch, all continuing to go well. 30 seconds into the flight. Reports come back, confirm that the solid motors are performing very, very well. Those two large solid motors burn for 110 seconds, pushing the vehicle from sitting on the pad to an altitude of 25 miles and a distance of 27 miles downrange.
The Voyager space probes are a remarkable turning point in history. They mark our first exploration of our solar system and beyond, expanding the limits of human knowledge and understanding of the universe. Voyager's groundbreaking discoveries, some of which even surprised the scientists who work on the project, have significantly contributed to our understanding of the solar system and beyond. The Voyager mission is easily the most important mission NASA has launched. Its accomplishments inspire, entertain, and most importantly, inform the masses. Voyager's accomplishments range far and wide, including one of the first attempts to contact extraterrestrials, the first man-made object to exit the heliosphere, and countless other discoveries of the solar system. Voyager has been discovering since 1977, when the twin space probes Voyager 1 and 2 were launched, just 1 month apart. Voyager 1 is the farthest of the two space probes, but both are unimaginably far away from Earth. They are also moving at incredible speeds. Voyager 1 is going 38,210 miles per hour, and Voyager 2 is moving at 35,000 miles per hour. One essential part of Voyager is the Golden Record. The Golden Record is a record that contains greetings in 55 different languages, images, and audio from Earth.
As the Secretary General of the United Nations, an organization of 147 member states who represent almost all of the human inhabitants of the planet Earth, I send greetings on behalf of the people of our planet. We step out of our solar system into the universe seeking only peace and friendship, to teach if we are called upon, to be taught if we are fortunate. We know full well that our planet and all its inhabitants are but a small part of this immense universe that surrounds us, and it is with humility and hope that we take this step.
This message is intended to preserve humanity and contact other species. We may never know if this will ever happen, but it's worth trying for the greater of all 8 billion people on this planet. The Golden Record has many inscriptions on it. These were done by the JVC Cutting Center in Boulder, Colorado. Then, it was sent to the James G. Lee Record Processing Center in Gardena, California, to cut and gold plate 8 Voyager records. Gold plating occurred on August 23, 1977. Afterward, the records were mounted in aluminum containers and delivered to JPL. The record is constructed of gold-plated copper and is 12 inches, 30 centimeters in diameter. NASA.gov. The Golden Record's cover was later electroplated with uranium-238. The Golden Record was later inscribed with "The Sounds of Earth." NASA's JPL, or Jet Propulsion Laboratory, wanted to include images on Voyager, but the space probes could only hold 69 kilobytes of data, so they had to improvise. To put images on the Voyager spacecraft, NASA had to record a projection of the images and then encode the video of the image's video into audio waveforms that could be properly pressed into the record. Decoding these audio signals and all other encrypted messages on the golden record will be incredibly difficult, and NASA knows this, but they have found that it is possible to decode these audio signals with completely different technology. If other life forms ever find this, why wouldn't they put all their effort into decoding it? I know humans would, and extraterrestrials are probably just like us.
This image, the pale blue dot, is a famous image taken by Voyager. It is a group photo with everyone in it. It is a picture of everyone who was, is, and will be. Voyager was leaving. It was past Neptune, almost 4 billion miles away from the Sun, when Mission Control had Voyager turn around to create the largest family portrait ever taken. Earth scattered in the rays of sunlight. This photo is just one of the images that Voyager took. There are so many beautiful images Voyager has taken, and these images show what humans can accomplish when they work together, and projects like these will only improve as time passes. The Voyager space probes are currently the farthest man-made object away from the Sun. They are 162 astronomical units, which is approximately 15 billion miles away. And Voyager 2 has traveled 136 astronomical units, which is about 12 billion miles away. This information is up to date and is being updated every second on NASA's website, along with the status of Voyager 1 and 2. This incredible feat Voyager has done is only one step in humanity's journey of interstellar travel. If they could make something like this in 1977, what could they do now, or 10 years from now? Human science is constantly improving, and will continue for the foreseeable future. Voyager 1 has discovered many features of our solar system, and the first planet it visited was Jupiter. One of the largest discoveries of Jupiter was volcanoes on one of its moons, Io. Io is Jupiter's 5th largest moon, and it is slightly larger than Earth's moon. And the discovery of volcanoes is revolutionary because it can help scientists understand the solar system's tidal heating and volcanism. It is important to study volcanoes because it helps cycle gases from the surface to the mantle. They also help regulate temperature. This makes a planet very inviting to life. If scientists can study volcanism in the solar system, it can help them understand where life is, and if we can study that, we can find a place that is habitable for humans to live on. As Voyager 1 was exploring Jupiter, it found 2 moons that were previously unknown. They were named Thebe and Metis. Thebe after a nymph from Greek mythology who was obsessed with Zeus, while Metis was named after Zeus's wife. They were named this because Zeus's Roman counterpart is Jupiter. Voyager 2 discovered 10 moons at Uranus, and their names were allusions to Shakespeare. Voyager 2 also discovered 6 new moons at Neptune and explored its largest moon, Triton, and it was found to be the coldest known planetary body in the solar system. It also found a frozen nitrogen volcano on Triton's surface. As Voyager 1 was leaving Jupiter, it turned back around to look at it one more time, and it was able to see Jupiter's full rings backlit by the sun. Voyager 1 was later visiting Neptune and discovered a new ring named the G ring. When Voyager 2 was passing by Uranus, it discovered 2 new rings and explored the 9 previously found rings. Voyager 2 later went by Neptune and discovered 4 Neptunian rings as well as the Great Dark Spot. These discoveries are just scratching the surface on Voyager's many discoveries. These discoveries alone prove that Voyager is one of the most useful space missions. Voyager has accomplished enough to arguably be considered the best space mission, but it is inarguably one of the greatest milestones in space exploration history. This is because of how inspiring it is, how many discoveries it's made, and its potential for future discoveries decades ahead in time. These are why it is a turning point in history. Voyager is truly among the greats of exploration.